rookie year sa PBL, when I was drafted 19 years old ako my second year in the NCAA. After that, na ACL ako last 14 seconds. So palay up ako, biglang nag-twist siya.
Okay.
So siguro mahirap kasi twice a day akong nagpa-practice nun Tapos nag-aaral ka pa medyo. So yun, medyo bumagal yung career ko kasi akala ko paangat na
Narinig mo yun, Joe? Nag-aaral kami.
Student comes first. Student athlete.
Okay.
So yun, medyo yun yung setback ko during my college career.
Okay.
Tapos nagpa-surgery ka, coach?
Yes. Tatlong surgery ako actually. Tatlo.
So after that, obviously you tried to come back. No, how was that dealing with the emotions mentally, physically? Syempre, kinukuha mo yung rhythm mo ulit.
Mahirap kasi syempre nung injured ka, gusto mong maglaro, nainggit ka. Tapos pagkabalik mo, every after practice and game, namamaga siya.
Yes.
So ang ginawa ko nun, parang nag-a-arcock siya ako just to relieve the pain.
Keep up.
Pain relieving.
So siguro mali ko rin, hindi ko strengthen pa.
Okay, so pagkatapos nun, ano na nangyari sa career mo?
Naglalaro ako sa PBA D-League.
Okay.
Tapos, I got drafted sa PBA.
Okay.
38 pick, 4th round. Tapos by Kia. By Kia.
Kay Senator Manny ba at that time? Yeah.
First season ng Kia.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, I didn't make the roster. So, nagbumalik ako ng PBA D-League kay Coach Boise Cebuana.
Boise Samar.
Yes. With Coach Bong Ramos as well.
Okay.
So,
nakalaban na rin ng kanya ngayon. Boise Samar was the head coach of UE for a time. Right?
Yes.
Okay. During the time sila tubid, tama ba ako?
Naging coach ko rin yan, yes.
Okay.
Time nila James Yap.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Ayun. So, noon, medyo parang hindi akong masyado nagagamit. So, parang sabi ng dad ko, sama ka sa akin sa mga camps ko. So, doon ako nag-start mag-coach sa mga basketball camps.
Okay.
And yun, minentor na niya ako.
Okay, I just want to fast forward to something very important that happened to your life. Obviously, the ones very close to you know this, but I guess the basketball world as well because it was a big deal as one of the best guards, no? Tell us about the lupus experience.
Noong 2018 kasi, bigla na lang sumakit yung ko dito tagiliran. Hindi ko alam kung ano bigla na sumakit. Parang sobrang unbearable yung pain.
Yeah, okay.
So, sinugod ako sa ICU. Yung pala, nalaman na nag-blood clotting na yung organs ko. Hindi na ako makausap, ganyan. Yung pala, na may lupus pala ako. Noong 2018.
Okay. There were no, symptoms before that? Sumakit na lang? But even before that?
Nung unang diagnose, kasi ubo ko ng ubo.
Okay.
Ang sabi ng doktor, daw TB. So, I was taking TB meds for 2 months.
Prior itong sakit na sinasabi mo, may malubhang sakit na. Okay.
Ubo ko ng ubo, hindi ako makatulog. Natutulog ako ng nakaupo.
Yeah.
Parang, sige, lang to, ubo lang to. Tapos bigla na lang sumakit. So,
after 2 months,
nag-blood clotting na talagang sumusuka ako ng dugo, ihi ko, dugo na. So medyo 50-50 na talaga.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what did that situation do to your career? You were still playing, no?
Hindi na,
nagko-coach ka na.
2018 to, no?
2018.
Okay.
Okay. I'm also friends with his wife. Hello to Ana Banal and ang kanilang cutest baby na si Shiloh. But, she would tell me na that was a turning point, no, of your life. Parang you were so down, no? Paano ka nakabalik ulit sa sarili mo?
At that time, hindi pa kayo married, tama?
Married na.
Married na, okay.
Okay.
Siguro hindi ko naman malalagpasan din yun kung wala akong faith kay Lord.
Okay.
Tsaka, syempre, very supportive yung wife ko and yung family ko nandun. Tapos yung mga friends ko din, dumadalaw. Malaking bagay. Talagang, it made me tough.
Oo. Okay, so pagkatapos nun, nag-coach ka with your father. O pagkatas paano ka na napunta ng MPBL?
Rizal yung una?
Yes.
Rizal yung una. Actually, noong
Wow, that's
2019, I was the team manager.
Tama.
Nung unang season nila.
Ng Golden Cooler.
Nandun ba si
Coach Braulio.
Kuya Eric De La Cuesta?
Coach
Yeah.
Eric
Okay.
was still a
Playing.
player. Still
Okay.
playing.
And then,
After ni Coach Bulo, si Coach JB Gayoso. Tapos,
You're right. You know, I forgot about that.
yeah, okay.
Dating kasama natin sa panel.
Yes.
Tapos after that, sabi nung team owner, mag-apply ka, ganyan. Sabi ko, sure ka ba, boss? Bakit? Ayaw mo ba? Sabi, hindi, gusto ko. Sabi, di nag-apply ako.
Oh.
Ang dami kami pinagpilian. Ayun, pinili naman ako. Ganyan.
Yun ang story ni Coach Jonathan eh. He would always be, the assistant or part of the staff, and then he would get to the head coaching level. That season, that was my first season in the MPBL, 2022. Where he brought Rizal during that year, the youngest coach made it to the playoffs.
Playoffs yun.
Yeah, I mean, after that, things just went even better. He was the head coach of Abra on their first season. He was part of San Juan.
Sorry, Mix. Sino muna mga players mo nun sa Rizal? I'm trying to recall.
Lawrence
Victoria,
Troy.
Keanu Caballero,
Yeah.
Jolo Mendoza,
Tama.
Edgar Charcos,
You had
Charcos.
Troy Malilin,
Troy.
you had Mike Gamboa also, right?
the following
The following
seasons.
year.
Mm.
Okay.
Mark Benitez,
Tama.
J-Boy Gob,
Yes.
Jolo.
Ray Bienes,
Mm-mm.
Aljon Capobres.
Tama.
Jordan
San Sebastian.
Rios.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ngayon,
Grabe,
nasa
laban
MPBL pa rin.
din ang babata, pero
Diba?
I remember, talaga. Okay, so yun na nga, napunta siya ng Abra, tapos
Head coach.
head coach.
First season ng Abra.
Yes,
I
and
played
then
for him
You did?
played
for a while.
For a while.
Talaga?
Got me, but
Bakit
before,
parang nung nakita kayo kanina, hindi kayo magkakilala?
Ayaw sa akin.
No. Sige, tuloy mo yung kwento mo. What was your experience?
Go, Joe.
Yeah.
well, that was after his Rizal. He went to Abra. Well, he was still in Rizal. He called me. Hey, I want you to try out for us. And then I tried out for them. I was gonna play for him Res Rizal.
Yeah.
And then 1 week after, he said, Joe, wait ka lang. May mangyayari. So
Okay.
he called me after a week, sabi niya. Abra na siya.
Okay.
Ayun. Pero I played for him the whole, wala naman off-season.
Wow.
We had like tune-ups.
Yeah.
And before the season started, I went
Nalipat
back
na siya.
Hindi. Ako yung lumipat.
Ikaw na yung lumipat. Okay. Yeah,
Pero
I think I remember his
same
story because
Yeah.
si Jonathan, he's currently my head
Yeah.
coach.
Oo
Okay.
nga pala.
Okay. And I remember that story. Nakwento ni Jonathan to eh. Kasi ang pinapunta niya talaga si Juan pero ikaw daw ang dumating. Okay.
Yan ang laro, yan ang kwento, yan ang MPBL. Walang sawang nagbibigay ng bagay na pag-uusapan. Bawat episode, sisiguruhin naming walang play na mapapabayaan. Walang issue na may iiwasan at walang debate na mananatiling walang sagot. Dahil ang basketball, hindi natatapos sa buzzer. Nagsisimula pa lang ang usapan. Kung gusto mong marinig ang totoo, ang analysis, ang history, ang init ng laban na hindi mo mahanap sa ibang lugar, nandito kami. Bawat linggo, bawat laro, at bawat issue. Kung may issue, may sagot. Kung may talo, may rebanse. Ang podcast na hindi nagpapatalo.